So in today's video, I'm going to create this glam. I call this sipping in the champagne room. How y'all like that? Sipping in the champagne room. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Love you. Bye. And here's the finished look. I hope you ladies enjoyed this tutorial. Comment below and let me know what else you guys would like to see. Love you. Bye.